Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's Tia Girl Chisum. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you how to make a very easy hairstyle. Now this hairstyle, you can pull it off even if you have a shorter hair than mine, or you have a longer hair than mine. This hair is more like anyone can do this hairstyle once your hair is long enough to be held onto. You can actually pull this off. So I have a wedding to attend and I need a quick fix because I can't wear my hair like this to go for the wedding. And also I'm on the clock in the sense that I have limited time to prepare for the wedding. So what you need to do is to use your picking comb or whatever it is you use to part your hair and part out some hair up front, in the front part of your head, just the way like I did, and also get something to clip it with or something to hold it down away from the rest of your hair. Now going ahead, you use your brush to brush your hair upward and then part out some hair at the back. Now the hair that I parted out at the front, it will be used for something scrub, something different apart from the rest, so that's why it is in a different form. So I went ahead and then part out some hair at the back, but if you can make your hair patterns to be better than mine, especially the one at the front, you can as well go ahead and make your patterns a better one, a sharper and a clearer one, because the one at the front tends to show a little eventually, but the one at the back you don't mind. You don't really need a sharp pattern for it. Okay, so after parting out the one at the back, you twist it upward. If you are not comfortable with twisting, if you can fold it, is it folding that they call it? I don't know, but if you can like fold it or something, but make sure that the gripping or the folding or the twisting is tight so it wouldn't just let loose. So after that, you tuck it in and then you go ahead and pat out some other hair above it, like just the way I did now. Like I said, you don't need a sharp part for this because the patterns won't show. The only one that will be visible will be the one at the front, and not all part of it will be visible. Then also go ahead and twist or fold the hair you parted out, and then using a bobby pin, try to secure it at the middle of your hair, the middle back part of your hair, just the way I'm doing now. Like I said, everything needs to be in the middle. You have to try to get all ends of the hair to the middle. So you go ahead and part another chunk of hair, and then also do the same thing you did with the other two to it. Brush the ends, then make a twist or a fold. This is what I mean by folding. What I'm doing to this one now, that's what I mean by folding. You can as well do the folding or the twist, whichever one you're comfortable with, but there is this thing that it creates where your hair feels fuller, thicker, and much more than what it might actually be. So coming to the one at this part, I'm going to go ahead and then fold it downwards just the way I am doing now. Now we'll move over to the special one at the front. Now for this front part, I'll be doing a flat twist all the way down to the other end of my head. So cut out some parts. So cut out some parts on the front, and then you can slowly be careful because it's your edges. You don't want to mess with your edges when you're flat twisting. So be careful not to pull any hair. So I'm ready here to do a flat twist at the front. I'll also be doing 2 more extra flat twists after this one. When flat twisting, be sure to flat twist till the end of the hair so it wouldn't loosen, because twists tend to loosen a lot. So be sure to flat twist till the end. So I'm going to go ahead and then part out for the second one. That's the second flat twist. So guys, this hairstyle, you can rock it to anywhere. You can rock it to the office, you can rock it to an event, you can rock it to the party, you can rock it to school, you can rock it practically to anywhere. Even you as a bride, if you love this hairstyle a lot and you'd want something similar to be your bridal hair, all you have to do is enhance it a little bit, maybe a little touch here and there with accessories would do. Also guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, because your girl has a lot in the cupboard to bring out to you guys. So I'm done doing the 3 twists. This is what it looks like. So I went ahead to try to buff it up. I think that is what it's called, to buff it up. And let's make it a tad bit puffy. Then go ahead and use a bobby pin to secure it somewhere at the back where those puff on all of them met. You can secure it there. Now the hair is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and get ready for the event. Now this is it. It is ready. I used these butterflies, the butterfly things, to accessorize. You can use anything you want, anything of the choice to accessorize it. You can use beads, you can use twigs, you can use anything to accessorize depending on what you are comfortable with. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if you have any video suggestion, you can leave it down below at the comment section. I promise to get to it. All right guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.